Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Coffee Pineapple Beige Edition. First thing you gotta do is open up this pineapple carbonate water and you pour halfway into this mug. And then after that, you pour the coffee halfway into this mug. And last but not least, you add in a splash of milk. And there we go, folks. Here is your Carbonated Coffee Pineapple Beige Edition. Enjoy!